Hi, Chris Tribe. Today we are going to meet an incredible artist who lives in Phnom Penh. We traveled 6 hours by bus to arrive to Phnom Penh, where we had the pleasure of meeting the artist Bot. In this exclusive interview, Bot will tell us about his journey and his creative career. Do you follow me? Let's go.
Hi, my name is Bot and I come from Cambodia and I'm a illustrator working on a comic illustrator company and um, I started drawing when I was pretty small and it's really I just start artistic journey from a very young age because I have a grandma who got the French uh, medical books, and there's a lot of drawing in there. I was fascinated since then, and she also teach me how to write. So I was writing, and then I started drawing since I was young. And um, for my job, I'm a independent artist. Also, I'm a full-time illustrator for the company, and I usually work with pencil art and digital art. But I prefer digital art because it have more space for you to contain it. Like you don't have to use oil. I mean, actually, oil also good, but you oil sometimes it can be messy because it can be everywhere, and pencil also the same, but pencil is more controllable. Like you can control pencil and you just draw it like really good at controlling pencil. And watercolor also good, but I'm hardly doing watercolor. And I choose this job because it's really makes me what I am. Because uh, for me, the only way I can express myself, because to draw and make stuff. I really enjoy drawing, like the process and the beauty of things, like human body or sculpture or anything. Like I can see it that fascinating me, and I just draw it. And also, it's also a form of me to express myself, like how I truly feel, and like the enjoyment of doing art also very rewarding, and I like it. Uh, my inspiration for most of the art, I'd say from the great artists like Sir Singer Surgeon, like Charles Bark, and golden American illustrator like Rockman Newell, and J.C. Decker. He also great, and they are my inspiration. Also, there's a lot of modern artists that inspired me, and my drawing style. Today, I will pick my three style of drawing. This this is a illustrator of a portrait of a woman, and this one I use like making something like comic like, and also at the same time I want to make it realistic. And this one is a sculpture of Cambodian. It's Vishnu, and I want to make it realistic as possible, and at the same time I want to make it like a stone like sculpture. Okay, and the third one is a ink. It's not ink. I would say marker. Yep. And I want to make it out of cross hatching, like no form at all, like line, just a little line, and then I define the drawing by just make it cross hatching, like you can see it here, like yep, the lines. And the project I'm working with Krochma is something about the sport, and mostly our audience are younger people, young generation people, and I want to make something fun for them. And also, I have my other project that I will exhibit my art. And my advice for younger artists, for people who want to do art, is you find inspiration no matter what. Like it doesn't matter, like it's from drawing, other people drawing or another people art. You can be fascinating on something, and you can expressing by appreciating it. Like if let's say if you see flower and you're fascinated by the flower and you like it, like you show appreciation to it, like you draw the flower and you don't have to think like, oh, I have to make it perfect. No, like if you appreciate any form, any object, or any people, like you have to do it out of your appreciation. Like you don't have to be like, oh, it's so perfect and stuff. I mean, it can be good, like you make it looks good, but it's actually like some lesson you learn along the way. But the my advice is draw things that fascinating you and you really appreciate it. That's all.
Wow, it was an incredible interview with both a talented artist and an extraordinary cartoonist. I hope you enjoy learning more about his artist journey and future project. Don't forget to follow this social network to discover more of his stunning design and stay updated on his latest creation. If you like the video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to encourage me to make more videos. And as always, stay curious. Bye bye, Curious Tribe. And you, do you like your drawing? Tell me in comments. Ciao.